Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and this one is very, very cool. It's a 2025 Grand Design Reflection 322 FKTS, and the floor plan is going to blow your mind. We'll get inside a moment, but I want to show you a little bit outside. So we have pass-through storage here, and you can see it's kind of narrow. We'll go to the other side. I do want to walk down the campside. So we have tandem axle, and there are the red brake calipers. And you also have your levelizer and stabilizer. And I called them levelizer. I can't talk. I called them leveling one time, and somebody made a comment that they didn't level. Well, if you're on level ground and you drop them, or they're on level ground and you drop them and you level out the RV, they are levelized. They do levelize the RV. So I wanted to show you this storage on this side, a very large storage on this slide. So we have two slides on the off-camp side, but what I really want to show you is this here, your docking station. Look how wide this is. And again, on the other side, if you remember, I showed you it was rather small. But look at your access to all of your goodness on this side. Very, very nice. Easy access. And there's your levelizer. That isn't even a word. I've got it in my brain, but oh well, too bad. So let's get on the inside. You're leveling. That's what I needed to be saying, not levelizer. And then we also have this here, leveling jacks. So there's the 322 FKTS. And as we stand up inside, you can see the refrigerator. Right when you walk in, you have a bank with hooks to hang stuff up. We have a very nice pantry, which I want to show you. Very nice pantry. And then you also have a cabinet above, plenty of storage. And then as I swing around, get a load of this. How you darn. So you have three cubbies here. And then you also have, for your pet, your water and food bowl, a very nice sized couch. And then also, that folds down, so you have a center armrest, cup holders, and then you also have your USB and USB-C. That is very nice. And I just love this kitchen. Flat screen TV, very large counter space, really nice oven. So you have a 3-burner cooktop, and then a very nice size oven. You have cabinets aplenty. Your wastebasket, plenty of drawers. New for $25, they have the utensil. And check that out. Very, very nice. So Grand Design is upping their game. Microwave oven, plenty of storage there. They're taking advantage of all the storage space on this unit. Very nice, very clean look. And just so, in my opinion, so appealing. And then the refrigerator, which I showed you when we first walked in, it is a French door model, meaning you have a freezer on the left, refrigerator on the right. And then as we walk into the bedroom, we have two very large drawers. Here, your fuse box, nice planning center or office environment. You can plug in USB, USB-C, residential, place to put a chair so you can have your laptop here. You have additional cabinet space there. 3 cabinets above the bed. When I lift up, check out how high that raises. That's way out of your way. Here are the stools. And so I want to show you where those go. That is your dining area right underneath that countertop. So that's really, really nice. I'll go ahead and drop this out of the way. And it's easy to do. Sometimes you get those struts that are so strong that it's difficult to lower them down as we step up in, or not up into, but as we step into the bathroom. Very nice sized drawer. And then here we have a place for your hang-up clothes, but we also have pre-wired, pre-plumbed for washer dryer setup. Very nice shower setup. So we have one sink here, so it's a his and hers setup for the sinks. And then check out this center cabinet. I shouldn't say center cabinet, corner cabinet is what I need to be calling it. Here is your other sink. So there's one on the left, one on the right. And then we also have cabinet space above the commode and a cubby, if you want to call it, right above the commode as well. Very, very nice. So as we walk out of the bathroom, through the bedroom, into the gathering area, we get a load of that kitchen again and your dining area. So thanks again for watching. Any comments, questions, leave them below. We'll catch you on the next video. I really enjoyed this RV. I hope you did too.